Good morning. It's Wednesday, the 29th of May. We're starting off the morning with agricultural markets up, especially grain. You might even say it's a race between which one's the strongest as we look at soybeans and corn. I'll just tell you right now, let's just go straight to where we are trading. July soybeans up 28 and 3/4 at 8.85, high of 8.92 and 3/4. So we were up 7 higher than this at one point, and right now we're up 29 and 1/4. And this is all about weather. We all know that. The extended forecast are continuing wet for a while. In addition to that, the crop progress came out. We'll get to that in just a second. Just want to tell you where the beans were. November soybeans were up 29 at 9.11 and a half. July corn also up very strong, up 17 at 437 and 1/4, high of 438, low of 429 and 1/4. And December corn up 16 at 453. We do have wheat up 12 and 3/4 in July at 515 and a half, high of 521 and 3/4, low of 513. Cotton is not up as much, but it is up. It's up 15 in July. Cotton at 69.62, a high of 69.66, a low of 69.12. December cotton down. Well, December cotton's unchanged at 68.47. High of 68.60, low of 68.03, even as we hear reports of very slow start as far as planting goes in West Texas, and a lot of acres will have to be replanted. There's not a panic out there because there seems to be plenty of moisture. It's just a matter of finding the opportunity, getting it dry, getting it in the ground. But for now, it's certainly not off to a good start. Looking out over the last 2 weeks, it's been wind damage. It's been heavy rains in some areas and quite a bit of hail damage. Again, it's not something that can't be corrected, but it's certainly been a setback. A little bit surprised cotton has not actually moved up even higher off of that. No good news on the trade front. That seems to be taking the back seat anyway to weather. And let's look at the crop progress here. We've got cotton is 57% planted, and that is compared to 58% average. So we're right on average there. Soybeans 29% planted versus an average for this time of the year of 66%. 11% of the soybean crop has emerged. Usually this time of the year, 35% is emerged. Corn 58% planted this time of the year. Normally it's 90% is the average. 32% of the corn is emerged. This time of the year normally it's 69%. So we're well behind getting it planted, well behind in getting it up. Spring wheat is 84% planted. This time of the year it's normally 91%. And we're having a little bit of a financial meltdown as far as global stock markets go. Everything is down. We've got crude oil down quite a bit, down $1.58. Dollar is up 6. Gold up 6, dollar up, silver up 3. Dow Jones Futures Index is down 192. So really the only thing up here that's good is the agricultural markets. Now here's a warning to you: if you're a farmer and you grow this stuff and you don't have it sold as far as corn goes, you're going to have to really look at that and think about it, because when a weather markets never end gracefully. They just suddenly come down. And you need to be able to take advantage of selling your crop in the cash market or hedging your crop, at least on a scale-up basis, to assure yourself that you're going to be able to take advantage of these prices. Don't let coffee shop talk dictate how you're going to market your crop, because always the news there is bullish. So it's just I would think the smart thing to do would be to at least start a process of marketing your crop now in corn, and with an eye open for soybeans. Soybeans are up 30. That's a pretty big move there. So that's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.